Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Luciano XI, creator and artist of the series Fatal Blow. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to draw heads on a side view. Well, I've been drawing for quite some time now, drawing some sequential art, been doing some illustrations, and also I've been working on my own manga series. So whether you're a beginner or you've been struggling for quite some time now to draw a head and a side view, this video is for you. So stick around until the end and let go. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna have to draw a circle, like for the starting point, like so, always make sure that your strokes are sort of light. Instead of like dragging them into one line, make them into multiple instead, so your circle could be steady and you can actually see it. Not sure if it makes sense, but yeah. The next thing you gotta do is choose which side you want your head to point at. So we're gonna go for the left side. So you're gonna have to draw a straight line like this. Then after that, you're gonna draw a line going like so for the chin. And the next thing following after that is you're gonna have to cut the circle in half like so. But I recommend you start by cutting the circle in half first before drawing anything else. It seems that I have mixed up a few steps, but you get the idea. So then after that, you cut it in another half, but this time horizontally. So like so, this one's for the eye placement and for the ear, like put the eyes over here, then the ear. So then the next thing that follows is gonna have to draw a horizontal line going straight like so. So we're gonna have to go like this and make sure you curve your line like that for the neck, and same with the head like that, just like that. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more art tutorials. I post my videos around 12:15 p.m. local time, so be sure you do not miss it. So after drawing a neck and everything like that, we focus on the next part, which is you're gonna have for the nose and the mouth. So you're gonna start by the eye placement, drag it a little bit like that, then follow up with starting from here going all the way over there like that, you see, just like that. Then the next thing that follows is you're gonna have to do something like this. It depends if you want to do it or not, but I recommend you do it so you know what you're doing. And yeah, then the next thing we're gonna have to put in some shapes for everything, like the eye placement and the ears and such. So for the eyes, we're gonna have to draw like a triangle like that. But sorry for this, I made a mistake. Okay, so your eyes, you're gonna have to draw them a bit far from this part over here, and you're gonna have to draw like a triangle just like that, or you can draw a square if your character is gonna be like a square, or yeah, like that, or a triangle. It depends on you which one you're comfortable with. Then so after that, we're gonna have to draw a circle for an oval shape for the ear placement. Always make sure that your ear is sort of parallel to your brows and your nose. That way your character doesn't seem a bit off. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the nose. We're gonna put in the nose like that and curve it for the mouth, and just like that, and Okay, now to put in the details. If you remember everything from up to this point, you're doing good so far. And so let's go. So first you're gonna have to go like that, add in some details just like that. And yep. I'm gonna have to speed this one up so you can get the full picture all the way to the end and see the end results. I recommend before I speed it up, I recommend you draw along with me in order to make sure that everything is going along great, so that you're not making any mistakes. I'm no pro, but I'm also trying my best to come up with good art and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna speed it up now. And there you have it. I hope this video was able to help you guys with drawing heads on a side view. I'll be doing more tutorials on maybe like bodies or buildings or anything or any type of stuff like that. All you gotta do is make sure you leave your thoughts on the comment section down below. And yeah, if this video was able to help you draw heads on a side view, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you could possibly need when it comes to reading my series Fatal Blow in the description below. And yeah, this is Oluciano XI, and I'm out.